How many pieces you order normally?
I'm looking to get like 30 to 50, brother.
30 to 50.
Just to get the ball rolling, and once I get more people, because it's for a cannabis brand.
Yeah.
So
It is smart. I'm not trying to push you to make big order, but you need to test the market step by step. So for running a fashion brand, it's long term.
Yeah.
Don't do rush business, right?
Yeah. I ordered 100 pieces before. This was like,
You don't like the quality?
no, the quality was okay, but the sizing was, I didn't like the sizing.
Yeah, that's why.
That's the one issue that I didn't like from the ordering from China, is because the sizing is not.
You know what? Everything's online. Then you cannot control. So tight, right?
This is small.
This is
the small size.
This is like Asia size.
Yeah, I think so, because I had the small fits like a large. This is the thing, yeah, the fabric book.
Yeah, we have a different collection fabric book, and we also research fabric. So here you can choose the fabric. If you don't like our already made style, choose the fabric you like. And the already made style that one, refer to essential one, we upgrade the fabric. We have more color option for you.
Yeah.
If you don't like the already made color, okay, I want to change the color. It's okay. So fast and easy.
Okay, for sure.
So this is our competitiveness difference in the market. Fast, professional.
Do you have the different sizes of this? Like, this is a large. How big was the extra large?
This is the only one.
Only one right now, yeah?
Yeah, I actually cannot give you, but if you want, I can give you.
I'll buy it. It's okay, I'll buy it.
Yeah, I mean, yeah, I can sell to you here, because I don't have enough here. We don't put stock
Yeah,
here.
this is just a showroom. Yeah, I understand.
Yeah.
But this, I want to show this because the shirt,
Really good quality.
because I like the material. I think the other one was more smoother, but this one it has the same softness.
Yeah, really soft.